Students, now let's see about what are the different hurdles or threat to the communalism. Up to here we have seen the different causes for the communalism that British policy we see, which is very important cause for that. Then communal revolts were there, communal organizations were there. So these all the causes are going to be a big trouble and big hurdle for the development of the democracy, even running of government. Then how these are threat and how they are hurdles. Now the first threat, that is threat to national integration. Integration which makes all the states and union territories one, that gets into the trouble, so that religious groups, number of the groups are there which are formed on the basis of religions. So these all religious groups which creates a threat to unity and integrity of the country. The whole country again gets into the small pieces divided on the basis of communalism. Now, after 1947, the country which is divided into the small religious groups, that also going to be harder or creates the hammers on the social harmony. Harmony, what do you mean by harmony? It is a oneness. जहां समाज में यानी पूरा देश या फिर राज्य जो है, तो यहाँ पे रहते समय हर समाज के, हर जाति के, पंथ के लोग रहते हैं, तो उनमें एक एकता बनी रहती है. लेकिन ये सामाजिक एकता, सोशल यूनिटी, इंटीग्रिटी, हार्मोनी, इट इज गोइंग टू बी डिस्ट्रॉय बिकॉज ऑफ द कम्युनलिज्म. सो द थ्रेट टू नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन, यूनिटी एंड इंटीग्रेशन, harmony is going to be destroyed. Second, threat to nationalism and patriotism. Nationalism, राष्ट्रीयता, patriotism, देशभक्ति. Now here, this threat or communalism leads to the fundamentalism and orthodox. Yeah, some people have the tendency, they will give only the importance to their religion. They will not bother, or they will not think about the other religions. Even they will not give respect. Whatever their traditions are there, they don't want to change. If it is running from the ancient time, it should run in the same way. So religious fundamentalism and orthodox, because of this, patriotism is going to be destroyed. देश से पहले वो अपने समाज, अपने धर्म के बारे में सोचते हैं, बल्कि उनको धर्म छोड़कर देश के बारे में पहले सोचना चाहिए. So here patriotism is going to be destroyed. Even sometimes this communalism breeds a communal identity. इस आइडेंटिटी इन द सेंस, हाँ ये एरिया है तो इन लोगों का है, ये गली है तो इन धर्म के लोगों की है, तो नुक्कड़ पे ये लोग रहते हैं. सो दैट मेक्स द आइडेंटिटी. सो कम्युनलिज्म वी शुड नॉट हैव एज अ आइडेंटिटी ऑफ द कंट्री. इट शुड बी ब्रिज मीन्स विच इज गोइंग टू बी डेवलप, आगे बढ़ता जाता है, उसका वंश बढ़ता जाता है. कम्युनलिज्म की वजह से एक आइडेंटिटी बनती जाती है. इट शुड बी स्टॉप्ड एट वन प्लेस. नेशनल एंड पैट्रियटिज्म फीलिंग टू द, it is going to be, this feeling is going to be completely forgotten. देशभक्ति, राष्ट्र प्रेम, राष्ट्रभक्ति, ये सब कुछ लोग भूल जाते हैं और अपने बस धर्म, मजहब के बारे में, अपने लोगों के बारे में ही सोचने लगते हैं. लेकिन देश का क्या? जब देश ही नहीं रहेगा तो हमारा कोई वजूद ही नहीं रहेगा. If whole country is going to be destroyed into these small pieces, then it is useless. There will not be any kind of unity or integrity, among the country, then that country can't develop proper, which already disintegrated. Third, that is a impediment to national development. Hurdle, impediment means hurdle. So one of attitude is going to be developed because of this communalism. That is a leader's outlook, or the which is a lack of patriotic feeling. Lack in a patriotic feeling means secular outlook is going to be, attitude is going to be developed more. Secular means a person who is going to give only importance for a particular religion. Then holistic approach also going to be destroyed, which creates a selfishness among the political leaders. यथा राजा तथा प्रजा, जैसे हम अपने नेता चुनते हैं उसी प्रकार का देश बनता जाता है. When the leader is having this kind of secular attitude, holistic approaches and selfishness attitude, then where country goes? Country becomes corrupted. Lack of all patriotism, lack of unity, lack of integration, nothing you will find. So these all the problems we will face. Sometimes some of particular leaders give speeches and their writings which is based on the communalism. वो बस अपने समाज के लोगों को या फिर दो समाज के लोगों को भड़काकर उनमें जाति फसाद या फिर दंगे फसाद कराना चाहते उनके स्पीचेस और राइटिंग के थ्रू. So if we give this kind of leaders who have secular attitude, there is no any kind of patriotism feeling. If they are very selfish attitude, then the country will not get proper development, and it goes on like a very problematic, which creates a problem, hurdles, and this kind of selfish person, selfish or secular attitude of political leaders can't give you proper developmental programs. Only they will think about the community and they will go on giving speeches which creates a distance in between two religions. Fourth cause is weak political leadership. Here political parties and leaders who are unable to make this communalism in arrest of contents in India. They are unable to hold down this communalism. They are completely failed. Now because of that, what happened? Or because of communalism, some of political parties which are influenced by the caste and communal consideration of voters and creates opportunities to indecisive and weak leadership. जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज बनती हैं उनके ऊपर धर्मों का, जातियों का होल्ड रहता है, या फिर जो धर्म या फिर समाज के अनुसार, उनके परंपराओं के अनुसार ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज अपना काम करती जाती है, जिसके कारण वोटर्स उन्हें वोट टैक्स नहीं देते, उनके हाथों से या फिर उनके पार्टियों से कुछ काम ठीक से नहीं बन पाता. दैट क्रिएट्स like a weak political leaders. Only they will give importance or they will do the work of their community itself. They will not give any kind of benefits to other communities. So that creates again the very weak political leadership. Threat to national sovereignty. घर का बेदी लंका ढाए. इसका मतलब when there is a problem in internal itself, then what about the external forces? Yeah, there is an internal conflicts about this communalism. Two religions are going to fight, communal clashes are there. Then social religious problems are there, which is going to be division, making the divisions in the society. Internal conflicts and social religious divisions. समाज के ऊपर जातियों में भेदभाव या फिर उनको टुकड़ों टुकड़ों में बांटना, उसके कारण एकता न बनी रहना, जिसके कारण देश का विकास नहीं होना। और ऐसे समय जो फॉरेन या फिर outsiders will be there who are going to be attack or always to be ready on the invasion on the country. Yes, दूसरों दो लोगों के लड़ाई झगड़े के बीच में तीसरे का लाभ ही होता है। तो उस मुहावरे को हमें ध्यान में रखते हुए we should always stand at one. There is one quotation. If you come to know about this, then there is no problem. And what is that? United we stand, disunited we fall. All the Indians, all political leaders, and all political parties have to think about it. They have to criticize it. If we stand, if we united, we will stand. If we disunited, we will definitely fall. And advantage will be taken by the foreign countries or another person. So why to give the chance to those peoples for going to take the disadvantage of our situation? So these are the some of the threats to the Indian democracy because of communalism. Now we'll see what are the remedies or how we can come over on this problem, and what are the remedies for the communalism. Students, now let's see about the remedies, what can be taken to remove this communalism. So first one is secularism. Then what is secularism? It's nothing but giving importance or giving equality to all the religions in the state. There is no discrimination with any one of a religion. So that is a secularism. Equality and security to be provided for each and every religion without any kind of discrimination. So for that, Indian government has made some of laws which have been mentioned in our constitution. So article number 26, which deals with the, or as per that article number 26, any one of a religion can establish religious institution and it can run its own administration. It can manage its administration to conserve their culture, traditions and other things. Article number 26, as per that, religious institution they can establish and they can manage its administration. This is one thing. Secondly, in December 2013, central government has introduced one of a bill, that is Prevention of Communal Violence Bill. Prevention of Communal Violence Bill. As per that, a person who is going to be found guilty और ऑफेंडर, जिसने भी ये गुनाह किया है, जिसके खिलाफ दावा कोर्ट में दायर किया है, that person is going to be found guilty, so he will get the punishment as per the Prevention of Communal Violence Bill of 2013. So this comes in a secularism. Second point is national integration. Then what is the national integration? So uniting of peoples emotionally, socially and physically. Socially, emotionally, psychologically, physically, economically, in all way when we are getting the people in together. So that is called as a integration. And this integration which is going to be destroy other problems also. Then religious fundamentalism, communalism, it is going to be over when people are going to gather, getting integrated. Now, to make the country one, get united and integrated, make all the community peoples one, let them stop communal revolts and communal clashes. So, some of committees have been established by the central government. Which are those? National Integration Council, Zonal Council, the National Security Council. Along with that, number of the armed forces are there which are going to be look after this all the problems. Whenever there is a communal clashes, so army is always available there. CRPF is there, SRPF is there, which will stop the communal clashes. So this all work for the national integration. Now, one of a committee has been established to solve problems, to know the problems, to talk with them. For that, it is called as a Neighborhood Peace Committee. Neighborhood Peace Committee. Now, what is the intention behind that? To establish one thing, to remove the communalism. Along with that, make the government very active and which deals with every community. So I told in 1992 how the Babri Masjid was destroyed or demolished. So that issue has created, or in every election that issue always again become in the or mostly it is going to be flared up. उस विषय को जलाया जाता है या फिर उसको भड़काया जाता है, जिसके कारण फिर से लोगों में दंगा फसाद शुरू हो जाते हैं. So these kind of problems whenever are there, then those all kinds of problems, to solve them without any kind of bloodshed, to flare up the communal revolts or to stop them, then having the taking a precautionary measures before getting the communal clashes. So for all this purpose, make the country united, integrated, let all the religious live together with peaceful manner, with a brotherhood and fraternity. This Neighborhood Peace Committee has been established. So students, it's our responsibility also along with the government to treat every person of every community equally, without any kind of superiority or inferiority, without thinking the person belongs to another religion. Never think anyone of superior and inferior, rich, poor. Treat every person or think every person as like you, equal. Then only this communalism problem will be solved out or rooted out. Without your participation or our participation, it's not possible only by the government. We all are responsible and it's our duty to solve this problem. So this is about the communalism, causes, how it is threat to democracy, and remedies what are taken to remove this communalism. Thank you, students.